Today we are going to treat laws of indices. The first law of indices is multiplication law. Multiplication law. Then this is the first one. Multiplication law says that when a base number n raised to power to a number a and multiply by the same base number n raised to power of b, that the product should be the number n added together, which is a plus b. So this is the first law of indices, and if we want to let's use real numbers to do this. We have 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 5 equal to. So the simple, using this law, we have to bring the base, then we add this one, 2 plus 5, which is equals to 2 raised to power 7. If you want to know how we got this, let's say 2 raised to power 2 is 2 times 2 times 2 raised to power 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2. So if you count them together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 2 raised to power 7. This proves the law of multiplication. Let me introduce the next law. The next law is the law of division. The law of division. 2. Division law. So division law says that if a number n raised to power a divide a number n raised to power b, that the quotient should be the number n raised to power a minus b. This is the second law of indices. Now let's use real number to do this. Given 2 raised to power 5 divided by 2 raised to power 2, this law says that you have to bring one base, then you subtract the first one from the second one, which is equal to 2 raised to power what? 5 minus 2 is what? 3. If you want to prove this, we have 2 raised to power 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, divided by 2 raised to power 2 is 2 times 2. So this cancel this cancel this. We have 2 times 2 times 2, which is 1, 2, 3, which is equal to 2 base, that is 3 raised to power 3. The same thing. That is the second law of indices. I will also introduce you to the third law of indices. The third law of indices is the power law. The power law. Power law. The power law says that if we have a number base n raised to power a to the power of b, that the answer should be n raised to power a b. You know that a b is a times b. which is the answer. Now, using real number again, if we have a number like this, let's use 3 here, raised to power 2. We have again 3 here. Power law says that you have to just multiply these two to give you an answer, which is 3. 2 times 3 is what? 6. That is 2 times 3, which is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. That is the answer. Fourth law of indices is number 4, fractional law. Fractional law says that when we have a number n raised to power 1 over a, that the answer should be a, which is the denominator, roots n. And we have, if it is not 1 here, let's say we have this number, we have a over b, the answer should be b, which is the denominator, b roots n raised to power a. Use a real number for this. If we have 2 raised to power 1 over 2, what we will have is this becomes the root, which is square root. 2 is square root. Becomes root 2. Then if we have, considering this, if we have 2 raised to power 2 over 3, the answer would be, that is cube roots of 2 raised to power 2, which is equal to cube roots of 2 times 2 is 4. This is the fourth law of indices. Now is indices. We call it number 5, 0 index law. Zero index law just says that any number raised to power 0 is 1. We have n raised to power 0, we have 1. 100 raised to power 0 equals to 1. 1 million raised to power 0 is equal to 1. As simple as that. Negative index law. If we have a number n raised to power minus a, the answer should be 1 over n raised to power a. As simple as that. So if we have something like 3 raised to power minus 3, what we will have is 3, 1 over 3 raised to power 3, which is equals to 1 over 3 times 3 times 3 is 27.